हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? वेलकम बैक टू योर बायोलॉजी क्लास. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज connective tissue. We were studying about the types of animal tissue. It is the second type, connective tissue. Connective, as the name indicate, what it means to be, to connect, to hold together. It is the most diversified tissue. सबसे ज़्यादा वैरायटी होती है connective tissue. It can be as solid as bone. It can be very soft like cartilage. It can be fluid like blood or lymph. So there is maximum variety in connective tissue. Now we are going to study in detail about connective tissue. Connective tissue is further of 5 types. Number 1, areolar connective tissue, dense connective tissue, adipose connective tissue, skeletal connective tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Right? And today we will study about areolar connective tissue. First, areolar. What the name indicates. Areo means small spaces. Actually, areolar connective tissue, it is present in the small spaces where you can say packaging is required. हम कांच के होते यूटेंसिल्स होते तो उनको हम नहीं कर सकते ना, इकट्ठे नहीं रख सकते, पैकिंग करनी होती है ताकि ब्रेक ना करे. उसी तरह से क्या होता है कि हमारे जो इंटरनल बॉडी ऑर्गन्स हैं उनको भी पैकिंग मटेरियल की जरूरत होती है ताकि वो भी अपनी प्लेस पे रहें, ताकि वो अपनी जो स्पेसिफिक पोजीशंस हैं वो ऑक्यूपाई करते रहें. उसके लिए पैकेजिंग मटेरियल की जरूरत होती है. इट इज ऑल्सो अ पैकेजिंग टिश्यू. It packages in between the internal body organs. This is called areolar connective tissue. It has so many functions. It joins skin to muscles. It is present around blood vessels. It is highly vascular tissue, present around blood vessels, present around nerves, right? In the bone marrow, which is present inside the bone, and bone marrow is it is responsible for the formation of blood, right? And it fills the spaces inside the organ, as I have already told you. Moreover, it also helps in the repair of the tissue. Okay, then we will study about the structure of areolar connective tissue. Here you are seeing here some wave like structure and in parallel bundles, right? This is called white fibers. So areolar connective tissue, it consists of white fibers. White fibers, they are made up of collagen protein and they are present in bundles. And this tissue, white fiber is responsible to give tensile strength deta hai ye white fibers. Then here you are seeing some lines, they are branched. This is a yellow fiber. Yellow fiber, it is a elastic fiber, right? It is responsible to give the elasticity to the muscles, right? And first I told you about white fibers made up of a protein called collagen. Yellow fibers, these are branch structures made up of elastic fiber, right? In spite of these, it is present in a matrix. All this is present in the matrix cell. This matrix is present and it contains number of cells. अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं लाइक वाटरमेलन को जब हम काटते हैं तो उसमें रेड पोर्शन होता है और सीड्स होते हैं, राइट? तो जो रेड पोर्शन है उसको मैं मैट्रिक्स कहूं, तो जो सीड्स होंगे दे विल बी द उसको मैं सेल्स बोलूंगी, राइट? तो उसी तरह से एरियोलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू को इफ आई कंपेयर इट विद द वाटरमेलन, तो रेड पार्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड मैट्रिक्स, right? In which number of cells are present, right? And those cells, there are number of cells. Now I am going to tell you about these cells. First of all, I am telling you about mast cells. Mast cells को हम जो ज़्यादा शरारती बच्चे हैं, mast cells भी बोलते हैं इनको. Mast cells इनको ऐसे कहा जाता है. Then they contain 2 type of chemicals. First is histamine. What is histamine? This chemical is responsible for swelling. जैसे मॉस्किटो बाइट हो जाती है तो स्वेलिंग हो जाती है ना, तो हिस्टामाइन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर स्वेलिंग. एंड द सेकंड केमिकल व्हिच इज सिक्रेटेड बाय द मास्ट सेल्स, दैट इज हेपेरिन. इट प्रिवेंट ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. जैसे कभी चोट लग जाती है और ब्लड क्लॉट हो जाए तो वो उससे ब्लड का प्रेशर बढ़ सकता है. सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स कैन क्रिएट. तो ये हेपेरिन जो सिक्रेशन होता है केमिकल का बाय द मास्ट सेल्स, इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू प्रिवेंट ब्लड क्लॉटिंग. देन there are fat cells are responsible for storage of energy, fats, right? Then fibroblasts are present. Fibroblasts, they are also called phagocytes. If any bacteria or virus attacks the body, our white blood cells, they phagocytes, white blood cells को कहा जाता है phagocytes, they fight against that foreign particle which attack on the body. ठीक है, हमारे इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम को ये स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है. Fibroblasts are present in this. Then in spite of this, there are let me repeat all this. Then we have studied about white blood white fibers. They are present in bundles, right? Then I told you about yellow fibers. They are branched, right? They are made up of elastic fiber. Then I told you about mast cells. They contain two type of chemicals, histamine and heparin. The histamine is responsible for swelling if any mosquito bite occurs, and heparin, it prevents blood clotting. Then fat cells for storage, and macrophages. They are called, macrophages are the phagocytes which give immunity to the body. They are also called macrophages are also called phagocytes, as they prevent our body against any foreign particle like bacteria or virus. Okay, with this our areolar connective tissue is over, and tomorrow with the next lecture we will start with dense connective tissue. Thank you.